Hi all, welcome to Learn Social. My name is Harish. I'll teach you a simple concept, or I'll give you a scenario on Excel VBA and I'll teach you about it. Now, the concept which I'm going to teach you is related to for loop and if condition and a combination depending upon the scenario. The scenario which I'm going to tell you is, say for example here in A1 the value input will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The moment it is 5, it must put here 6, 7, 8, 9 and then onwards, and so on and so forth. After that, I'll put 9, 10, 9, 10 and then like that. But if you do it manually, you can do it manually. I mean, all you need to do is just say equal to 5, Control D, Control D, and then Control R. You'll get it till 100. But this sum, in case if you wanted to do it in a VBA, I mean, every time you run a VBA, it must show from A1, it must show it as 1 to 100 similarly, and every 5. So let us do a simple VBA. How can we? But then we don't have developer here, so just select here Excel options, show developer tab here, and just say OK. Now you can see the developer tab. You can go to VBA and just say view code. I mean, you can just create a code here. Here, start the code. Sub testing. We'll write the logic here. So what's the logic? Select the sheet 1. So you can select the sheets. Sheet 1 dot select this. Okay, and then row. I mean, declaring row a number, row number, column number, and then the value, the outputs. So again, once I'm done with that, let us put some value. So now that I want A1, where I want the value output, so first row, first column, so R is equal to 1, C is equal to 1, and let me put this logic for I equal to 1 to 100, just because in this case 1 to 100, next I, that is a loop. So what I will do, cells R comma C is equal to I. So whatever is the value of I, it will paste in the, now it's in A1, so it will put 1, I is 1. The moment it is 2, I want it to put 2, so row should keep changing. R is equal to R plus 1. So in this case it's not equal to, it's actually incrementing. So every time the value of R will be keep increasing along with I. Okay. Now if I run this, what will happen is, I ran this, see, I'll get 1 to 100, but after every 5, I want it to go to the next column. So I must increase the column the moment R is 5 or I is 5. Okay. So what I will do, I will take R into consideration. So if mod, okay, if 5 mod R equal to 0, that means every time a multiple of 5, then if 5 mod R is equal to 0, then what I will do, I will add C is equal to C plus 1. C is equal to C plus 1. Okay. But before that, the moment it reaches 4 and the 5, it will move to the next level. So I don't want it to happen. So what I will do, I equal to I plus 1. I'm adding here so that I can get this, and before that what I will do, I is equal to I plus 1, and cells I will add one set, because 5 also I want to put, just 4 will not do. So let us cells R comma C equal to I, whatever we did here, cells R comma D, and here R equal to 1. Now you might be wondering, I will end here, and if here, because I need to, I've started if and end if. In between this I'm doing this. Okay, now here let us convert this into comments, just in case. How I want to show why I use these 3. Okay, if I do F5, now you see 1 2 3 4, and then the 5, and then it goes on. And in case if I remove this after this, I'm making it 1, then if I run this, let me remove everything and run this. See, it will take 4, but 5 it will move to the next level. So I don't want that to happen. I want at least one more instance, 5 should come here. After that it will let it calculate. So even if it is 5, let it calculate. So Control A, I delete it. Now I remove these 2 as well and convert into code. Now if I run this and say F5, see, we'll get the desired results, 1 to 5 till 100, and after that nothing, something like that. So this is how you can write simple codes using, here we have used for loop from here to here, and we have used if from here to here, and we wrote this and we declared all this. It's a simple code using which you can send the data, create the data, and you get the desired output. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and in case if you want some similar videos or similar sessions on Excel or Excel related stuff, you can always log into learnsocial.com or contact any of your the team members. So they will guide us with the proper solution. So have a great day. Thank you.